Hi, I'm Gordon from Currys PC World, and today I'm going to show you how to install your new smart TV. Now, before we start, one of the things I always do is take a photograph of the back of the TV, just so I remember which cables go into which ports in the TV. So I've unpacked the new TV, I've put the TV in place, and now I'm going to use the remote to start the setup process. So to switch power on, and in most cases there will be some sort of splash screen like this, depending on the manufacturer. So one of the first things it normally does on all TVs is ask you to connect to the internet. You can do this several ways, either hardwired with an Ethernet cable to the back of your TV, or wireless. And when you're doing it wireless, there are two ways in which to do it. So the first way would be to find whichever is your Wi-Fi. So that's mine. And then when you click on, they'll ask you to type in your password. So this can be a bit tricky on the remote and it can take a bit of time. So there is another way of doing it. I'll just come out of that, which is easier. And that's when you come to the network setup page, go directly down to where it says WPS and press that button, and then go to your router and press the WPS button on your router. I'm going to do that now. Your WPS button will look something like this on your router. And as you can see, it's connected to the internet, everything's fine. And remember, I've only done this by pressing that button. So once it's scanned for all your channels, you just then need to select your primary region. And then click Next. And that's your setup complete. The only thing to look at now is your smart hub. So the TV is all set up. Just need to now click on your smart hub, which will be some sort of menu button similar to that one. This one does say smart hub on it. And that'll bring up all your apps on a bar below. It depends on your manufacturer, but they normally look something like this. If you do want to go into the larger menu, click on there, and then you can add more apps and go to various other features. And that's it. Thank you.